Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. So I just bought this new product from Ikea. It's called Kvistbro. Okay, and actually I already I'm gonna do unboxing, but actually I already did unbox before. So I just want to know what I'm gonna do and everything. So it's like this, and I'm gonna show you in details after this. And like this, this huge. Okay, I'm gonna do two videos. One is unboxing, another one is actually how you're gonna do DIY. What other thing that you can you will see the second video. Alright, so this is the product info. Okay, the price is actually 99 ringgit, but if you are Malaysian and if you have Ikea family, if you subscribe to Ikea family, it's only 79, so 20 ringgit discount. So I just bought, and it's 79 ringgit, very cheap. Okay, yeah, this better, right? The info, and then product details. Okay, then maximum load, then materials and care, fiberboard, acrylic paint, under frame, steel epoxy. Okay, right. Assembly and document. So this one, if you want to download. Okay, but I'm gonna show you the manual. So I'm gonna put this link of this product if you want to buy online. So the URL will be below the video. I'm gonna show you the here Ikea family. So if you register log masuk, register with Ikea family, then you're gonna have points, and then there's some many of the products will have discount. Example like this, 799 before 999, 200 ringgit discount. And this product is 20 ringgit discount. So yeah, so don't forget to subscribe to Ikea family. It's cheap, and I think you're gonna like it if you like Ikea product. So let's go to the product. So this is the sorry for the tear. I already opened it actually, although it's this unboxing video. So this product name, this one, Kvistbro, 44 cm from here to here, 40 here to here 44, and then the height is 42 cm, and this is number 2, remember. All right, then they give this. Okay, so they give this thing also, like adhesive, but I'm gonna show you later on how to put on. Yeah, all right, and then this is the adhesive that that it shows just now. You're gonna put it below the here, below the for the on the base. Then care in English. Hanguko, bahasa Indonesia, bahasa Malaysia. Alright, so we have this 1, 2, 3. Put side. Number 2. Then yeah, can you see? Bahasa Indonesia atas, cat fabrik rangka bawah, baju di sebelah putih, whatever. English, and then height 42, diameter 44, made in China, importer Ikea India. Okay, alright, now let's unwrap. So it's like this. This is below. Bring like this. Okay, alright, so got it. That's number 2, and then this is number 1. Alright, this. So okay, it's very good book. So this is the base. What you're gonna do, there's 4 of these. So the first one, sorry my hand's sweating a lot, so you can put this on the center, then like that. So this is to make sure that it will not move. So I'm gonna do another, this one. And then here. No. Okay, the last one. I'm gonna put here. Okay, but I remind you, I already did just now. So this thing will not last longer. It's not really good. So what you do, if you have what we call this, let me get first the name. Yeah, kinesiology. If you have this tape, kinesiology, for body, for spots, all right, you can just buy a white one. It's very cheap, 5 ringgit NT. So you're gonna put this, cut, and then example like this. So you're gonna do like at least 3 or 5 round, and then it will be good. So to substitute this, because this one I don't think it's not really that gonna stay put so long. So that's it from me. So yeah, thank you for watching, and please watch the second video, which I do DIY. What are the things that you can do with this, what's it called, Kvistbro. Okay, thank you for watching.